Hey guys, welcome to question MM385 of the Maths Methods Fortify study guide. So in this question we've got two events A and B, which are in a sample space, and we're told a few different things in terms of information. So we know that the probability of B given A is p to the power of 3 on 2, probability of A is root p, and probability of B is just p. And we're looking for the probability of A given B. Alright, awesome. So let's start with this piece of information here, and we can go from there. So we know that the probability of B given A is equal to the probability of B intersect A over the probability of A, right? So that's our general given that formula. And the whole reason for doing this is because we're going to need to find out the intersect between B and A, or the intersect between A and B, to figure out this, right? Because this is equal to the probability of A intersect B over the probability of B. Now, we know what the probability of B is, we're told that here, but we don't know what the intersect between these two things are. And the idea here is that the intersect between A and B is exactly the same as the intersect between B and A. They're just written the other way around, right? It's like saying 3 times 5 is the same as 5 times 3. They're both the same thing. So we need to figure out this, and then we can use that to figure out this down here. So where do we go from here? Well, we know that the probability of B given A is p to the power of 3 on 2. We don't know what this is, so we're going to leave that. And the probability of A is root p. Awesome. So now we can multiply both sides by root p to find out what this is. So then we have p to the power of 3 on 2 times root p, because the probability of B intersect A, oops, B intersect A. P to the square root of p is the same as p to the power of a half, and then p to the power of 3 on 2 times p to the half is p to the power of 5 on 2. So then we've got probability of B intersect A is equal to p to the power of 5 on 2. Actually, sorry, I messed that up. That's meant to be 4 on 2, which would be squared. So p squared equals probability of B intersect A. Awesome. So this is actually the same as probability of A intersect B, right? It's the same thing as I explained before. So p squared equals probability of A intersect B, which is this bit here, which gives us everything that we need to figure out what A given B is. So, let's rub this out. So, we know that probability of A given B equals probability of A intersect B over probability of B, which means that A intersect B is p squared, probability of B is p, so p squared over p is p. So p is our final answer, which is our A choice. So guys, A is the final answer for MM385. If you have any questions, just hit me up in the comments below. But otherwise, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.